If you've ever connected your iPhone or iPad to iTunes, you might have encountered the error 0xe8000015. This common issue can stop you from managing your device. In this video, we'll explain what causes it and how to fix it. Part 1. Why iTunes could not connect to this iPhone 0xe8000015. Incompatible SIM, loose USB, bad network, iPhone restrictions, lockdown folder, outdated iTunes or iOS or Windows or macOS, corrupt iPhone settings, low storage, PC or Mac issues, or corrupt USB drivers. Part 2. Fix error 0xe8000015 on iPhone or iPad with 15 tips. Tip 1. Ensure iPhone is turned on. Tip 2. Disconnect all other peripheral devices. Tip 3. Disable restrictions on your iPhone. Tip 4. Check the SIM card. Tip 5. Check the network connection. Tip 6. Check for the USB connection. Tip 7. Reinstall Apple mobile device USB driver. Tip 8. Remove the lockdown folder. Tip 9. Ensure there's enough space on iPhone. Tip 10. Update iTunes. Tip 11. Update iPhone and computer. Tip 12. Factory reset iPhone. Tip 13. Restart your computer and iPhone. Part 3. Fix iTunes or iPhone or iPad error 0xe8000015 with iTunes repair program. Trying all the methods above can be time-consuming and may not guarantee success. Instead, use an efficient iOS system recovery tool to fix the error in just a few clicks if your USB, computer, iPhone, and iTunes are all fine. How to fix error 0xe8000015 on iPhone or iPad with iOS system recovery. Step 1. Install and run iOS system recovery on your computer after the free download. Then, proceed to more tools, iOS system recovery on its window. Step 2. Connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer using a USB cable. Next, click on Start. Step 3. Check your device's model on the next interface and click Repair to download and install the firmware for your iPhone. Step 4. Once accomplished, the utility will start to fix the iTunes error 0xe8000015 on iPhone or iPad without harming iOS content.